to meet me in the kitchen so we can make a juice. You ready? Come on, let's do it. Hi everybody, this is Tammy at Tam's Glam Slam Reviews. Welcome to another video. Today, you guys, I wanted you to join me so that you can watch me make a juice. Something that I do every day. I just thought maybe it'd be fun if you joined me. Today's recipe for my juice is going to be very ironic for you guys. I am doing apple, beets, and ginger. I'm using the apple for the pectin to actually help to cleanse your body. You know what they say, an apple a day will keep the doctor away. And you know what? It's worked for me so far. The beets are great for cleansing the blood, giving you a lot of vitamins, nutrition, and also a lot of pick-me-up. Gives me a really big boost. The ginger is an anti-inflammatory agent that's gonna help me because I looked at myself earlier and I have like puffy eyes. Don't know why, I've gotten plenty of sleep, but when my eyes are puffy, I look at it as though my kidneys probably need a little bit of a rest. So this is my first juice for the day. And then later on, I'm gonna have a salad. So I'm having a really light day. So if you guys are willing to do this, let's do it. See you in a minute. Juice, and I just kind of wanted to let you guys know that I juice as much as possible. If I can't juice every day, I use either my NutriBullet for a smoothie. I always follow up in the mornings with smoothies. That is always my breakfast. I use fruits to help me start my day. Or I will use the Vitamix when I'm at home. I travel quite a bit, so you say, well, what do you do when you travel? Like I said before, if I'm not at home, I usually bring my NutriBullet with me, and I have a smaller blender that's called the Bullet. I bring that with me. This juice is going to be awesome. I want to thank you guys for joining me this morning for my morning juice. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or would you like to know about any new juicing recipes, please visit me on DestroyBellyFat.com. My name is Tammy. I love you guys. Know that I love you. Please, you guys have to know that I care, because I care about you, my health, your health, and our overall health in general. Bye, you guys.